All right, let's get on to today's three-stock lunch, shall we? Here with our trades is James Demmert, Chief Investment Officer with Main Street Research. Up first, Adobe stock getting a downgrade to hold from buy from Melius Research. The company due to report earnings this week. Shares are down more than 1% today. James, your trade on this one?
Yeah, my trade here is a buy, Tyler. This is a stock that investors just have lost their patience with, and I think that they need to regain it. Thursday, they report they beat revenue and earnings the last 4 quarters in a row. They're just sort of the second tier of the semiconductor revenue. It's going to start going to Adobe and Salesforce and all these other second-tier companies. And investors need to stick around here. Look for those digital media numbers on Thursday, Creative Cloud numbers. We think they're going to beat again. And the stock's down 26% for the year, 25 times earnings. Great for a portfolio.
I'm very curious about how they evolve in this environment, James. Let's move on to shares at Southwest. Soaring on this news that the activist Elliott Management is taking nearly a $2 billion stake, trying to oust the CEO and chair. And the shares are up, call it almost 8% on the news. Would you be a buyer here?
Yeah, Kelly, here, we would have said this is a stock you want to sell on Friday unless Superman comes to the rescue. And that's who Paul Singer is at Elliott Management. I mean, they're going to come in. They've taken an 8% stake for $2 billion, really to try to change the management, which has been a problem. The Boeing supply issues have been a problem. The stock's down 50% in the last 3 years. So we buy this stock for the trade. I'm not so sure I'd own this for a long term. But Elliott's going to come in there. He's got great track record. I think he's going to make a difference, and the stock needs him.
And finally, let's have some donuts. Krispy Kreme getting an upgrade from Truist to a buy on hopes for a deal with McDonald's. Shares are higher by more than 6%. Is this a stock you would consume?
Yeah, it was up 9% at one point, Tyler, this morning. And I think this is a stock you definitely sell into strength. And there's a few reasons. I mean, I see the upgrade based on the partnership with McDonald's. They can go global. But let's face it, consumers are really trending towards a much more healthy diet. I think these new generations are forcing us that way. We got GLP-1, which is a Novo Nordisk sort of Ozempic type of drug, which we are a buy on the Novo Nordisk. But we're a sell here. I also think, in our view, is the novelty has worn off on the Krispy Kreme brand, and that's a problem for these types of companies. So we're a seller.
All right. James, thank you very much. No to the donuts.
No.
All right.